Hello, I'm Lois and welcome to my channel. Today I'm here to show you a completing project I did back in university, and it is called the Ingredients Compendium. The Ingredients Compendium is a software information system used to store and process information in a large database. In this project, I'll be using Python as my programming language. Here you can see all my codes. It's pretty long and I have a few other codes here as well. And for this database, I'll be using magical ingredients from the fictional world of Harry Potter to demonstrate each of my algorithms. Okay, so let's first start the program, and it brings you up to the main menu here. So as you can see, there's a few options here, and let's just go with the first one. So register will take you into the registry where you can create and insert new records into the database. You can also update current existing records, and I'm going to show you how to insert a new one right now. So one of the ingredients that I want to insert into my database is Dittany, which is a plant with healing properties. After I've typed in the name, I'm going to pick the right family so that my program knows what sort of ingredient it is, and here is the list of the ones that I have now. So Dittany, I know it's a herb. Let's just put herb here. And the next one is potion. So it wants to know what sort of potion that the herb could make. So one of the most famous potions in the world of Harry Potter is the vegan well potion, and we're just gonna use that. Vegan well potion, and cost, let's say it's 8. Information is basically what you already know about the plant, and it could be your notes or it could be some information you found online. So you can just put it in here, and once you're done, register my record. And what it's going to show me is this little pop-up screen saying that the record was successfully saved. Okay, right. So if we go back to the main menu, we can now view our new record in the compendium. So here is a table of all our ingredients, and if we scroll down to the bottom, it will show us our latest record. See, everything is in there. And if we go back to the menu, what the compendium is helpful is that it allows you to sort your database by keys. For example, here it sorts the records alphabetically by type. So you have animal first, then herbs, and then the rest. And if you press it again, it will sort it in descending order with the last alphabet. And it can also sort by name, ascending order, name by descending order, cost by ascending order, and cost by descending order. Okay, so if I was interested in one of the ingredients, I could actually click on it. For example, I'm interested in boomberry and I want to find out more about it. It will take me into a new screen with the name generated and also the information cost. If I'm interested in pufferfish eyes, I can just click on it and it'll show me all the information. It's pretty helpful. Okay, once this is done, we can leave. And next I'm going to show you the search engine that I have developed. So what the search tool does is that it goes through all the information in the database and it picks out the right keywords or query. So let's try this out. I want to look for ingredients which are poisonous. Let's just type in poison. And what I found is bezoar. So apparently, what it says here that it sort of shows me the part where poison was found in the ingredients. So in this sentence, it says the word bezoar may come from the Persian whatever this is, which literally means protection from poison. And if we want to find something else, okay, next let's try something like I don't know, werewolf. if you remember, our ingredient that we had registered recently was the honey. So right now it shows that the search engine has found our latest record, and it has also found a match in the words. And let's see which part. See, it is used in a mixture with silver werewolf bites. So this search tool is really helpful. Unless you type in something which is not there, it will just show you that it will just tell you that the term is not found, and you will be prompted to enter a different query. Back to the main menu, and what I want to show you next is my favorite algorithm which I have developed myself. It's called the fusion chart, and it maps out the different ingredients with the potions that they could make. In this example, we can see that wormwood ingredient is an ingredient to the drop of living dead. That's the same for valerian, asphodel, sulphurous bean, sloth rain. So basically, where it's one, it means that there's a map between the two variables. And if we go back to our example of dittany, which is right now the last ingredient in the row. If we sort of navigate to the end, it's too much. You can see dittany being shown here. And right now it says that it's all 0 because it's not an ingredient for any of these potions. And if we navigate down the potions, you can see, let us try to find Wiggenweld. Ah, there it is. So Wiggenweld potion, as expected, it shows a 1 here. And if we move back, we can see the rest of the ingredients which is used in Wiggenweld. So lionfish spines, hork lamb juice, moondew drops, boomberry, honey water. Yep. So this chart is pretty helpful as it gives you a good overview of the whole database. And it's especially helpful for the times where you want to combine two things together, like ingredients during cooking or something else. Okay, lastly, we have a statistic page because sometimes you want to know how well you're doing. If I'm like, for example, a wizard, I want to know how many potions that I've already found or developed or that I know, and how many ingredients that I've found. So what the statistics page shows is the number of items in your database, and it calculates it for you. From there, you can find it will tell you your rarest ingredient, and this is done using a binary tree algorithm. Right now it's an unicorn horn, which costs 21 galleons. Over here we can see that these are chart buttons. So what this button does is that it generates a plot showing your percentage of ingredients by type. So right now you've got 48.3% of your database is considered of animal type ingredients, and 36.7% of them are herb type ingredients. And you've got the rest of them, which is quite helpful. And if you want to save your chart, you can just press this little button over here, but we're not going to do that now. And with each time you update your database, all the charts would be updated as well. And if you press the bar chart, what it's going to show you, if I expand this, it's going to show you the number of potions that the ingredients is used in, so that you know which potion would require more ingredients or is harder to make. Over here, you can see that from sulphurous bean to dittany, they all they are only used in one type of potion, but you can see that peppermints, valerian, and the standard ingredient are more popular, and they are used in 4 different type of potions. Okay, and the last thing we have is my favorite little moon calendar over here. So sometimes if you're a wizard, you might want to know the moon phase, and this algorithm calculates the moon phase with the current date, as you can see here. Okay, well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave me a comment. Thank you.